Greetings, gentlemen. You've tuned into the ManWise channel, your one-stop shop for all things manly. I'm your host, Dicky Wrinkler, here to keep you in the loop with the latest and greatest in testosterone-empowered news. We're not just about flexing muscles, but about asking the important questions like, how's my testosterone doing? So buckle up, gents, because today we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the world of men's health. Imagine this. Prostate and testicular cancers are running rampant, and testosterone levels are plummeting faster than a lead balloon at a helium party. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, it's not just a bad dream, it's our reality. Welcome to what we're calling the testosterone crisis. This is no mere hiccup in our collective manliness, my friends. It's a full-blown epidemic. Picture this: testosterone levels sinking lower than a submarine in the Mariana Trench. We're talking fatigue that makes sloths look like Olympic sprinters, reduced sex drive, and a general vibe of could not be bothered hanging over everything. It's like someone turned off the power switch to your mojo and forgot where they put the key. But before you start panicking, there's a silver lining to this dark cloud, and its name is Kyzatrex. Enter Kyzatrex, the ultimate elixir for testosterone troubles, brought to you by Marius Pharmaceuticals. This isn't just about adding a pep to your step or a spring to your stride. This is about reclaiming your vitality, your verve, your very essence of manhood. You see, Kyzatrex isn't just some magic pill. It's a testament to the power of scientific breakthroughs and the relentless pursuit of improving men's health. This revolutionary product is designed to tackle low testosterone levels head-on, ensuring that you can kick those testosterone troubles to the curb and rise to the occasion every single time. Let's pause for a moment to appreciate the fact that Kyzatrex isn't just a figment of some lab coat-wearing boffin's imagination. No, sir. This is a real, tangible solution backed by none other than the United States Food and Drug Administration. That's right, the FDA gave Kyzatrex the green light, setting the stage for a full-blown testosterone revolution. But the story doesn't end there. Marius Pharmaceuticals went a step further and launched the Hero campaign, a clarion call to all men out there to rise up, face their health issues head-on and reclaim their manhood. So here's to Kyzatrex and Marius Pharmaceuticals for giving us a reason to raise our glasses and celebrate the return of our manly mojo. Remember, gents, it's time to take charge of our health and be the heroes of our own testosterone-fueled adventures.